and gentlemen, dear doctors, scientists, and above all, friends of Cadila Pharmaceuticals, a very warm welcome to all of you on this momentous event in the life of Cadila Pharmaceuticals. It's an honor and blessing of the Almighty to grow, to live, to learn from a person who was my father, but a person who was very pious, a person who was very, very humble, a person who was very hard-working. Is in this momentous history for Cadila Pharmaceuticals, tell you and share and spread the word about the genes, the genetics, the makeup of Cadila Pharmaceuticals, a company where we all are so proud. We invested all our resources that we had and what we got funded from various organizations back into research. And we were lucky because we were successful, and not only one. Today, we have successful in announcing the world's first Polycap. We were fortunate in collaboration with the CSIR laboratories to bring in the world's first innovation in tuberculosis after years and years and years, decades, since the discovery of the last medicine in tuberculosis, rifampicin, and we brought to the world Rezorin. So I'm so happy and proud to announce the licensure and soon to be launched Mycidac-C, an innovation in lung cancer therapy, the first novel drug for cancer management in India.
Mycidac-C, a game changer in the treatment of lung cancer.
So we are very, very blessed that we have been part of this journey, but not only providing best medicines, but also innovations, and innovations at a very affordable price. A warm welcome to all of you on this iconic event. We are debuting, so in the next 2 days, today, tomorrow and day after, 22nd, 23rd and 24th of November, from now onwards, Cadila will sponsor I Am Icon, a conclave where we will celebrate Indian science. So as we speak, there are 9 other cities in India where the same event is being carried out in presence of friends of Cadila Pharmaceuticals, scientists, medical practitioners, doctors, administrators who have helped in this journey of success. And tomorrow again there will be 10 other cities in India, and on Sunday there will be 13 cities in India. So 33 cities of our country will be covered in these 3 places where we'll start and we debut this iconic event. We will continue this. So this is the beginning, and every year, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, Cadila will sponsor celebration of Indian science. If we as a company are fortunate to bring in new products, we will talk about them, but then we will celebrate all the wonderful things that the Indian scientists are doing. And so I welcome you. It is a momentous organization. It's an emotional event. But I'm so happy and thank you for coming from your busy schedule. Thank you.